Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I've decided I'm going to unbox a Stream Deck by Elgato. So most anybody who's done content creation will know these things. It's basically a little keyboard with 15 keys, which allows you to pre-program macros and switch scenes and stuff in your software, and depending on whether you're actually streaming or whether you're a content creator or what, this can be very, very handy. So I purchased mine for my content creation and see what it's like as a Christmas present, or from the money I got for a Christmas present. So let's find out. The box itself, nice picture on the front, not much on the sides. On the back, I'll have to pick this up to read it. Can the camera pick it up? Customization on your terms, easy setup, drag and drop actions in the Stream Deck app, personalised keys, design your own icons or choose from hundreds, unlimited profiles, create, share and switch key configurations on the fly, studio power at your fingertips, tactical controls, tap to stream, record, switch scenes and more, live media, launch on-screen GIFs and audio clips, instant engagement, tweet at the perfect moment, compatible with your preferences, Elgato Game Capture HD, Tippy Stream, Twitter, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, XSplit and more, and it comes with an adjustable stand for optimal access and visibility. Some technical specifications: it works for Windows and Mac, Windows 10 64-bit, Mac OS X 10.13 or later, 15 customizable LCD keys, USB 2.0 and some sizes. So let's find out what's in the box. It actually says it should be a Stream Deck, an adjustable stand, and that's all it says. Well, a user guide. So let's open it up. And there we go. So obviously here's our the main deal. This is our Stream Deck. Okay, so the first thing that strikes me is there's quite a bit of weight in it. Not like a ridiculous amount, but there's definitely some weight there. Cables fitted. I don't like that. I prefer a customizable keyboard. However, they do appear to give you a rather long cable with it. Here is the stand that they were talking about. So, there's how it works. It folds up like so, and has various heights. As you can see, there's 4 heights there, and then folds flat. There is a Stream Deck quick start guide, nice and detailed with images. And this is a Elgato warranty card. And that's it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.